In a notable protest, left-wing activists, including renowned actor Cynthia Nixon of Sex and the City fame, have initiated a hunger strike outside the White House. Their mission: to exert pressure on President Joe Biden, urging him to advocate for a lasting ceasefire in Gaza. As the 4-day truce in Israel's military offensive neared its scheduled end, left-wing activists commenced a 5-day hunger strike outside the White House. This strategic move coincided with significant events, including the release of hostages by the Palestinian group Hamas and Israel's reciprocation through the release of Palestinian prisoners, predominantly women and minors. Notably, the truce initially set for 4 days saw a 2-day extension facilitated by mediation from Egypt and Qatar. During a news conference held at the White House, impassioned speakers from diverse pro-Palestinian and progressive backgrounds took the stage to condemn President Joe Biden and its senior officials. The Biden administration faced severe criticism for its perceived role in enabling a military offensive involving bombardment and ground invasion. The toll, as reported by Gaza's health ministry, is staggering, with nearly 15,000 lives lost, including over 6,000 children. The speakers called for a re-evaluation of the US stance, emphasizing the humanitarian impact of the ongoing crisis. Zohran Mamdani, a Democratic state representative from New York, says, "It's President Biden's actions that are leading to the bombing of Palestinians, the starvation of Palestinians. So we are starving ourselves to make visible what is so often erased, which is the Palestinian experience." Actor Nixon said she would cut short her fast, during which she planned to consume only water and a little lemon, to return to New York on Tuesday for work commitments. The other hunger strikers will gather between 9 a.m. and 7 p.m. each day until Friday. The hunger strike comes amid reports of rising dissension within Biden's administration over its support for Israel's offensive in the face of rising casualties and a humanitarian disaster that had seen vast numbers of Gaza residents displaced from their homes and suffering from shortages of food, fuel, and water. It is the latest in a series of protests by leftist groups, some of them Jewish, outside the grounds of the White House and Congress, in which demonstrators have accused Israel of perpetrating genocide against Palestinians in Gaza. The groups have also criticized the Biden administration for inaction at best and lending outright support at worst. This week's protest is being organized and endorsed by the Campaign for Palestinian Rights, the Adala Justice Project, Jewish Voice for Peace, If Not Now, Dream Defenders, Democratic Socialist of America, Institute for Middle East Understanding, and the American Arab Anti-Discrimination Committee.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.